Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super early. I haven't woken up this early probably since school, but I am so excited for today because I get to go see sunrise. It has been a while since I've gone for sunrise. It is currently 66 degrees outside, so the water will be freezing. I hope we get a cute sunrise and not a whack one. We're gonna start changing, and since it's quite a long drive to get there, and hopefully we get there before sunrise. Hi guys, I changed. I am taking this tie-dye shirt that I made with leggings and my Crocs. I am pretty sure I'm not gonna get in the water just because it is freezing. I don't know if the temperature is gonna go up, or I don't know if it's gonna go down. So we're gonna be taking our Shawn Mendes hoodie just in case if it gets colder. I am so excited. It's been such a long time since I've seen sunrise at the beach. Teeth are all washed. Let's start heading to the beach. I don't know what's gonna get planned after sunrise. Depending on what we do, depends on this video. It's foggy. The fact that these look like this right now, and just because there's fog at the moment. As you can tell, it is red flag, so you know it's heavy surfing, dangerous currents right now. There's the ocean, but that's a lot of fog, so who knows if we'll be getting it. And my fingers are coloring already. So my boyfriend brought beach chairs. I totally forgot to tell him to bring my sand towel, but it's really foggy, so we don't know if we're actually gonna see a sunrise. It's already past 7:12. We are just patiently waiting in a freezing cold temperature ocean right now. Those little dots could be the sunrise just because there is a lot of clouds, and that's the scenery right now. It looks like a freaking butterfly. It looks brighter, but the sun's up there more likely, so it is super cloudy for sure. This is my little collection I'm gonna take today. It is 7:44. We're about to leave. We would have waited longer, but it's still super foggy and it's getting colder. So we're gonna leave and go eat breakfast. If you all ever come, Beach Access 2 has the water supply so you could wash off the sand. You guys are gonna come along with me to go eat breakfast. I'm not too sure what else we're gonna do since today is mine and my boyfriend's anniversary. It's starting to get less cloudy, but this is how it looks. Still cloudy. Like if we don't know what we're gonna get. We're gonna get build your own. That's my specialty at this point in Denny's. I do not like doing anything new, but we are just gonna do the build your own, go easy and the cheap way. I got 4 slices of toast, 4 scrambled eggs, 2 sausages. But explain to me this. This is a lot more eggs than what my usual Denny's gives me, which is insane, but it better tastes good. And we got 2 basic pancakes. My boyfriend got a slam burger, which is super early for a freaking burger, but according it's a breakfast burger. We are here. There's the first like sand art. In case anyone's interested, this is the time. There's no pets allowed. They're open right now. And then there's these as well. These are so cute, but the freaking price. Look at the little turtle. I knew they had a freaking penny machine, but I didn't know it was gonna be 50 cents, which is actually cheaper than most. This is how it looks. It has 3 pennies right now. So it ate 2 quarters and a penny. It does not work, so I'm not too sure right now. We're gonna ask. I'm editing the video and I just want to explain to you guys what happened with the penny machine. So I put in the 2 quarters and the penny. I pushed it in, pressed the button, the penny went through, but the machine did not turn on. So usually buttons where you press it, they usually turn on. Like I didn't realize the light wasn't on. So what happened was the machine was turned off. So they did not turn it on at all. And I guess I was the first person to try the penny machine and it got stuck. The lady that was there that day, she tried it with coins. Penny got stuck. She retried it and 2 pennies got stuck. So at the end of the day, the machine was out of service. I do not know if they already fixed it, but I'm really hoping to go later on and try to get all 3 pressed pennies. I'm so sorry, honestly, for what happened, but it's also not my fault since they didn't connect or turned on the machine. These are reputation coded hardcore. This is like the gift shop, if you would say. There's a bunch of like cute little things. So the penny machine is out of service. We accidentally messed up with it. But look at Lio Crocodile. Since I collect my pins, maybe. Is there different ones? These are the main 2. And there's always a small sign. Hello. Are you the only one in here?
Yeah, she's by herself.
If you all know, I have a red-eared turtle and there's a little tiny one here. Mine's so huge. Telling my boyfriend, I'm like, this cage is not bad for it because we have like a little tiny cage. Like it's not that huge and he really can't turn in it anymore. But this one's just following me everywhere. So I think he probably smells or she smells Timmy. We're not even sure what my turtle is, to be honest. But it's so tiny. This Texas tortoise is eating. I guess I introduced him because he looks mad. I'm pretty sure you guys could see me, but if you can't tell, it's still super foggy and by over there it's the beach. So sunrise, they really did not happen at all, and I don't even think you're able to even see the sky within the beach because of this fog. These are the 3 levels you could go with either the elevator or walking. Okay, it's super windy out. My phone completely is shutting down. It's acting up, so I don't know. We are gonna start heading outside and look around the outside. I'm pretty sure the penny machine is like officially out of order, so we'll keep an eye on it. This is the map. It's a self-guide trail. fact that they blend in with the water. We found a dog place, so we're gonna see if they have anything for my boyfriend's dog. I am obsessed, but I do not want to pay that much for it. Update, no hate on this store. Also, it's a mix of dog stuff and human stuff. Vintage thrift store, in other words. They are a little bit pricey. They do not have what we were looking for. It's a few days later. I just wanted to end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I enjoyed the ice cream so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.